So there is only so much time we have in the day. We've got to be selective with what beauty routines, what rituals we're taking on. And I am loving this new dry brushing routine I'm doing. I follow an old video from this woman, Teresa Tapp. Teresa Tapp developed this workout program called T-Tapp, which is really centered around, in much part, the lymphatic system. Unfortunately, Teresa did die a few years ago, but she still has a major following. And what I love about this dry brushing routine that she has online is as she's doing the dry brushing routine, she's telling you what the benefits are. She's telling you that it's going to help reduce things like spider veins in certain areas. She's telling you that it's going to help firm up the areas of the skin that can be crepey and saggy, like the elbows and the knees. And all the while through this tutorial, you're excited about dry brushing. And I think whenever we have a why for what we're doing something and an incentive, we're more likely to do it. That is one major reason why I've been so much more consistent with dry brushing, is that one, I think I'm doing it more correctly than I had been in the past. I do have a video from 2 years ago. My hair and my look is totally different, but I was doing the method of dry brushing where you brush to the heart, where this T-Tapp approach, Teresa Tapp's approach, is to dry brush to the lymph nodes. And I'm convinced that's the better route to go, as I am looking to improve my lymphatic drainage. And if you know much about the lymphatic drainage, you probably know the lymph is a type of sewage system we all have in our bodies that moves based on how we move. And sometimes people's lymph can become stagnant. And so things like dry brushing or rebounding or walking can really help reduce that stagnation and get the lymph moving. As a result, you can reduce bloat, and there's tremendous benefits outside of that when it comes to lymphatic health. That is one of the big reasons why I've been more consistent, is with her routine and following her tutorial. I am more in tune with what the benefits are, especially from an aesthetic surface level perspective. But then also I've made it something that I look forward to. As a part of my wind down / nighttime routine, I first will start doing my skincare, taking off my makeup. I may have a video I'm watching on my phone, or maybe I'm listening to, say, classical music, or maybe something a lot more fun than that. For the most part, I can do this dry brushing routine out without watching her video, but I still will watch it and follow it along with it to a T at times as well. But it's something I look forward to before I take my shower. And I've got to say, I do feel like it's firming up my skin, and I really look forward to the benefits that this will bring long term. If you go into dry brushing with the expectation that you're going to get incredible before and after photos, I mean, some people have said they have. In my case, maybe I'm not there yet, but I think overall it's just a relaxing ritual. And when you see folks that have been doing dry brushing for a long time, that's even more of a testimonial that it's a great approach. Now, there are some dermatologists out there that really dissuade people from doing dry brushing, as there are some concerns, especially for folks that have sensitive skin. And I think it's always important in anything you do to heed with caution, do your extra research, because what may work for one person may not work for you. I know I take some of these things for granted. I'm like, oh, so-and-so did it, so-and-so got great results, I'll get great results too. No, still got to be careful. I mean, there's so many examples of this, I mean, one of them being Cool Sculpt, right? Some people swear by Cool Sculpt, other people have had reverse results. I don't know that dry brushing is going to have major complications like that, but if you do have super sensitive skin, say you have rosacea or psoriasis, you probably want to be careful. So this is something I'm so excited about. I really feel like it's helped my nighttime routine and me wind down. I'm loving it, and I'm really excited for the future me that may reap the benefits even more. But for now, wanted to share this with you as I'm so excited about it. I so believe in it. It's cheap, it's effective, it's easy. I will link the video to Teresa Tapp's tutorials. She has a few, but I'll link them in the order that, I think you would want to see them. But with that, as with every video, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.